Hello, my name is Alessa. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, we upload a new video every week. We do it every Friday. My goal is to help you understand and speak English fluently. Today, I want to give you the words that will help you to speak about your feelings and emotions. It's always important to use the correct words to show your feelings and emotions so that people can understand you better. And it's not always easy to express how you are feeling. I will rank the words from strongest to lightest and explain to you the meaning and how to use the words correctly. Let's name the main emotions we have: happiness, sadness, surprise, fear, anger, and caring. And we will discuss all of them today. When you are happy, you may say I am happy or I am very happy, and that's the easiest way to express your feelings. But let me give you more words to show or to express when you are extremely happy. I am delighted, thrilled, tickled pink. And don't forget to use the verb to be. I was delighted, I am delighted, I would be delighted. Delighted means very pleased and happy. Tickled pink and thrilled mean extremely happy. She was tickled pink to get flowers for her birthday. When you are glad, feel happy and positive, you may use these words: cheerful, elevated, sparkling. We were in a cheerful mood this morning. The following adjectives are used to express the light feelings of happiness: light-hearted, pleased, satisfied. Light-hearted means happy, not serious. I'm in a light-hearted mood today. Pleased and satisfied means that you feel happy, relaxed, and at peace. Sadness is something that all people experience from time to time. When you have a bad day, you feel sad. You may express your feelings with these words: beaten, grieved, miserable. These words express bad sadness and might relate to a specific sad event, like a loss. Don't forget to use the verb to be. I am beaten. He is beaten. We are beaten. I am beaten means to be physically or emotionally exhausted. To be grieved means to mourn and try to recover from a loss. To be miserable means to be very unhappy. When you are just upset with something, these adjectives are good to use: lost, gloomy, weepy. I am lost means I don't know what to do. I am gloomy means I am unhappy and have no hope for the better. I am weepy means I am sad and feel like crying. Speaking about bad events or feelings, you can use these words: disappointed, down, moody. And all these words mean that we experience negative emotions. When you face some sort of danger and experience fear, you feel scared. Fear happens when you experience any type of threat. If you are very sensitive, you may use these words: horrified, petrified, terrified. And all these words express severe, means strong, fear. If we are scared of something that is not very dangerous, we may use these words: alarmed, apprehensive, jumpy. It means that we feel anxious or unstable, or we are surprised but in a negative way. Mild or light feeling of fear may be expressed with these words: anxious, tense, worried. For example, you may feel anxious or worried before a test or exam. Many people think of anger as a negative thing, but it's a normal emotion that can help understand people when the situation has become toxic. When you are very angry, you may use words like this: belligerent, burnt up, outraged. Belligerent means very unfriendly and wanting to argue or fight. To burn up means to have a fever or a high temperature, but when you speak about your emotions, your feelings, you may use this expression as well. I am burned up means I am very angry. Outrage is a feeling of great anger and shock. And when you have a feeling of anger and shock, you may say, I'm outraged. Anger is very difficult to deal with because it makes you feel helpless, aggravated, cranky, and grouchy. When you feel aggravated, cranky, or grouchy, try to relax. And all these words mean to feel annoyed and upset. Bugged, impatient, resentful means to be easily annoyed by someone or something. To bug means to annoy. It bugs me that I have to work, or I am bugged that I have to work a lot. Shocked, speechless, and stunned. We use these words when we can't understand or think clearly. Puzzled, foggy, misled mean that we don't know what to do or to say, like when you are in fog and you don't see clearly, you don't know what to do or what to say. The same words you can use when you speak about your emotions. I'm foggy. Distracted, uncertain, undecided. All these words mean confusion. And again, we use these words when we don't know what to do, what to say, or how to behave. I was distracted by the noise means I was unable to think clearly. I'm uncertain or undecided means that I can't make a decision. When you care about someone or something, you may use these words: adoring, devoted, passionate, wild about. which means you love or adore someone. I am surrounded by adoring friends. She's a devoted and passionate wife. I'm wild about my pets. Kind or kind-hearted, huggy, trusting. Huggy is a very informal word and you can hardly find it in the dictionary, but people use it. He is a soft, kind, and huggy person. Trusting means you can trust and believe people. Like the atmosphere in the company was trusting. Considerate, thoughtful, tolerant. We use the words considerate and thoughtful to speak about people who do things that make others happy and comfortable. Tolerant means to be able to accept what other people do or say, even if you don't agree with it. Tolerant parents, tolerant society. At the end, I want to say that emotions and feelings are a part of our life and we experience them every day. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click those subscribe and like buttons. See you soon.